Good morning. Today is 15th of April. It's Wednesday, and let's see what's up with the market. So yesterday, let me pull this out 1 sec. I had an idea of trading the swing high here and swing low, right, for intraday basis, but I got chopped up, and I'm also on quite massive losing streak right now, which I'm hating on. I don't feel quite well about it, but yeah, it happens. This is how my PNL looks since start of April. Had a nice run, and I've been taking consistent losses lately. And this is what actually this is what sucks, because this erodes slowly and consistently all of your gains that you make before, and it's been quite a while since I've hit such a drawdown, such a losing streak. It's been a while. I haven't had this drawdown like this in I don't know, years, not years, but maybe 18, 16 months for sure. So I'll be taking this very slowly. Let's see what's up. I'll start with the flow. So the flow is still bullish. You see, all the bearish pressure that's coming in under this low here is getting slowly absorbed, and you can see that on the CVD. Also, those shorts that were open here, they closed somewhere here. So it's not that we have 10 trapped traders or something, but the structure is still bullish per order flow. What I think is likely is that we'll find a low somewhere here, maybe slowly grind up again towards the new highs. And I'll tell you why we're seeing some strong resistance right here, and we'll see. As long as I'll see that, for example, even I don't want to see CVD break this low, basically. All right, that would look like something priced like this. Any bullish displacement here, and we are off to races. That's the idea. For now, I'm not seeing anything significant. Some longs added here. I assume they will get stopped out. They're longing the sideways move. No new daily naked point of controls. And let's see on the market. So I'll delete this. I don't need that. So we have a swing high here that got taken out, and that's where we are seeing the rejection. We have a H12 OB to trade off of here. Alright. So I think it's highly likely that we will test this. And I'm thinking how I'm going to be able to trade this. So yeah, this is the idea, at least for now, that we'll be trading here somewhere. We have daily naked point of control. We have weekly naked point of control, which is still holding as support. But the structure is bullish. I don't want to be bearish for no reason. The structure is bullish, and it's looking good. I don't know. That's what I'm seeing. So let's see. I'll whip this out again, and let's write it down. Alright. So strong bullish reclaim still in place after the push from here. No resistance until 82k. Well, minor resistance is here. I don't want this. Minor resistance is here, but main resistance is 82k. VWAPs. Let's go with VWAPs. So I'm not liking something here. I don't know what. This is yearly VWAP. We're still trading there. Quarterly VWAP rejected us, and the quarterly developing value high is coming up here. So let's see. Weekly. Back inside the value. Developing weekly value are all confluent with previous week value area high, which is a strong signal for me. Oh, this is very good. No, confluent with H12 breaker. All right, this is what I want to mark out here. Monthly. This is slightly below. So developing monthly in wait. Fuck, man. Developing monthly very high confluent with H12 breaker as well, which is good. Developing monthly is confluent. Developing monthly confluent with H12 breaker. Here. One idea to get long after a successful test would be reclaim of developing monthly value area high. Alright, so basically what I'm saying here is this. Do whatever. Reclaim the developing monthly value area high, and off we go, right? So one entry could be this here. Alright. Confluent with quarterly. Quarterly is confluent with monthly on all levels. And yearly VWAP. I don't know, developing yearly VWAP. Capping the upside for now. So what I like the most here is for sure the weeklies. Monthly value area high. Monthly value area high here. Previous month value area high. What I think is if we get a successful test here based off of only VWAPs, right? I think this is a strong place to look out for. We might not even get this test. But, oh shit. One sec, guys. But, today is 15th of April. Remember that price can slice through levels, nothing is given. So one idea here would be that we are going to test this region is if we start losing the VWAP, right? Then it is likely that we are gonna test it. But if we reclaim the VWAP, reclaim the weekly and POC, we might not be getting the retest here, and that would be the low right here, and off we go to the races. All right, but the way it looks like, it seems to be in a 3-wave descent, so I don't know how to formulate trade idea based off of VWAPs. Like, the thing is that I don't know how not to no, I know how to formulate. I don't know how to write it down. So what I said here, weekly is back inside the value, which means it is likely to be rotational, right? So if it's rotational, this is a support area. Previous month, so I need to write this down. Back inside the value, rotational. Developing, which means, alright, oh, no. Rotational developing weekly value confluent with previous week value area high. Okay, I'll leave this like that. And what about, what was monthly? Yeah, we don't wanna get, getting below previous month value area high invalidates all my bullish thesis, and I'll expect a rotation at least to the range lows, but it doesn't look like it. Not yet. Rolling VWAPs. This is the area I'm looking for. So I can delete this now. I can delete this and this. So let's build the case here. What was it? Long entry, previous week value area. What the fuck? So previous week value area high, confluent with confluent with man, fuck you. Confluent with developing weekly value area low, coupled with H12 breaker, bullish line in descent. For me right now is losing H12 breaker, first signal, and losing previous week value area high and previous month value area high. Sets this tone. All right, let's see now. So 90-day, 30-day NA, 7-day reclaim. Okay, I don't have 7-day here, but confluent with H12 breaker right here. All right, bullish line in descent. I'll put this like that. 90-day rolling VWAP confluent with H12 breaker and 7-day rolling VWAP as well. Okay, we also have, is this weekly? Yeah, that's a weekly level. So there is also one thing to note, that if Bitcoin on weekly scale closes somewhere here, right, as if it's ranging, and we close above this level, there is a good chance we might come down, test it, and then go up. And why this level? Because this is higher time frame horizontal resistance at 71. That's also composite value area high and range value area high. So that'd be but fuck, man, like I wouldn't want to fucking long it. Like if we come down here, I don't want to long this. Fuck that, bro. Like that would be like something worse is happening. At least we'll come down here and then go up. I don't know. I don't want to predict. Okay, so rolling wave ups are confluent with this area. Is there a H12 SFP to trade off of? Not really. Market structure break, nope. And yeah, we'll put this in, yes. On order flow, sellers are exhausted, which adds flavor to my long thesis narrative. Price is trading above the. I didn't check quarterly shit. Yeah, so quarterly, previous quarter view up is also capping the upside. We need to get through this if we want to see any meaningful or significant rally, alright? Price is trading above the resistance, above the range high, with exhausted sellers, meaning bulls are absorbing strong selling, strong aggressive selling pressure. Which helps my thesis to be long in the market. Losing previous week value high confluent with H12 breaker and previous month value high right here, previous month value high, previous month losing previous week value high confluent with H12 breaker and previous can indicate of local top. No, I don't want to say top. Can indicate losing, can be an indication of losing bullish momentum. Alright, so for the longs, I wanna long into previous week value high. I don't wanna range this out. So previous week value confluent with developing weekly value low. This guy. This is the only long I'd be willing to trade. I wanna check something real quick. Yeah. So I was contemplating whether should I take this trade or no. So we had a range sweep low. Oh, let me delete this. So we had a range here, right? And weekly naked point of control. And I was contemplating when I saw this sweep here. Don't forget the flow is bullish as well. I wanted to get long, but my losing streak is also massive. So I didn't take it long because I was thinking like the rejection from the highs here after such a small rally could be an indication that we want to go lower, right? And I didn't want to take this aggressive long. So and in the end, we ended up doing a 3-wave rally in terms of Elliott wave, ABC, and are coming down impulsively now into my support zone. So I'm more inclined to take a long position here rather than here at the highs. Yeah, for the intraday, maybe if I was at the desk trading at night, like, okay, I took the long here, okay, like this. I took the long here, boom, we move, aggressive TP1, stop to break even, right? That could give me a kick for like getting back into the tune with the market, but I just didn't take it. I just stayed all night up playing UFC because I didn't feel like trading. Like, it's not that I trade based off of feelings, but want it to be a little out of the loop, you know. I mean, I want to reset because man, I've been taking a fucking cold shower. I'll show you what I mean. Give me a fucking second. I'll do so from April 1st. This is terrible, man. Like, I'm honestly telling you guys, I have not had such a fucking strong. One sec, I need to redo this. 1 minute. Such a strong drawdown, prolonged drawdown. It's not that I took those trades in one day. They're all different setups. But man, like, consistently taking wrong trades, like, this is terrible. Yeah, you can tell, you can say that it still looks good, the P&L, right? But the wins are relatively small in number compared to the losses. And yeah, the good part here is also that my risk is controlled. Okay, I do take setups and I do control my risk, but it's terrible. I hate it. What the fuck is this, bro? Anyways, let's get back to the business. That's why I forgot to say what I was saying. I got carried out. But that's the idea why I didn't want to take the long here. I'd rather take something more extreme, right? And if I don't get this long here, and we just do this, I'm fine. I'm not gonna trade it. But if we do get the long here, I long it and I get stopped out, fuck it, man. It's not the first time I'm getting stopped out, not the fucking last time. Alright? Not interested in shorts. Nothing interesting for shorts. So yeah. Ooh. Coupled with GP of the local swing. That is insane, man. That is insane. Now, what do I want to see to take the long position, right? Let's cover that and I'll end the stream. I think this is done. So, strong bullish reclaim, high time frame levels. No resistance until 82 point. No big resistance. No major. VWAPs. So, back inside the value for the weekly, which means that it is rotational. And daily developing weekly value area low confluent with previous week value area high, which is a strong area. Alright, at least for me, support. I'll put this like this. Developing monthly value area high. Developing monthly value area high. Confluent with H12 breaker right here. One idea to get long after successful test would be a reclaim of developing monthly value area high. So basically what I'm saying is that this, boom. Alright? That would be one idea. But I don't think that developing monthly value is tradable right now. Well, you got a nice retest here, nice retest here, nice support here. But I don't think right now it is tradable. Though, what I will expect is that we'll find some support here. Alright, but if we get inside the value here, like this, alright? So, the idea here is that if we get inside the developing monthly value area high, I'll expect the test of this region, previous month value area high, and we'll go from there. Here. Alright. It's too disparate. I don't like this. Yeah. I don't like this such a gap between those levels because it's gonna be hard. Meaning like we can come down here. Give me the setup. Sweep. Then go. So that's one risk there. The risk in taking the long from previous week value high would be that we can get a long setup, take a long, and then sweep into previous month value high, thus getting me out from the position and then continuing continuing the uptrend. All right, then carry on with the uptrend. That would be one for sure a risk. What's up now? The VWAPs. Come on. So the VWAP, 90-day rolling VWAP, is confluent, is somewhere here, I think. Yeah, which is a great sign, and 7-day rolling VWAP as well. So these are something to watch today. All right. We have H12 breaker to trade off of. We reclaimed it. Now we're likely coming down to test it. Order flow is bullish because what I'm seeing here is that the buyers are also getting exhausted. Wait, let me whip out my cheat sheet. So what we are seeing is that price is stalling or making lower highs while CVD is pushing up, right? So CVD is pushing up, buying pressure is kind of getting absorbed, yeah. Wait. I don't know. But I think that CVD is bullish based off the fact that it just keeps going up. Yeah, the price is stalling here, which means bears are absorbing the aggressive positive flow. But if we do get something like this, that would be a strong bullish signal for me. Alright. So I'll write it down. So yeah, sellers are exhausted, which adds flavor to my long thesis. Price is trading above the range high, right here. With exhausted sellers, meaning bulls are absorbing strong aggressive selling pressure, which helps my thesis to be long in the market after being short the whole uptrend and consistently losing money. Losing previous week value high, confluent with H12 breaker, and previous month value high somewhere here can be an indication of losing bullish momentum. Alright, so basically like this. And confirmation of bearishness would be under the range high. So for the longs, I'm looking at previous week value area high confluent with developing weekly value. No, let me read it slowly. For the long setups, I'm watching this zone here, right here. Previous week value area high confluent with developing weekly value area low. This guy coupled with H12 breaker. This guy 90-day rolling VWAP is here. We can just simply wick it out, reclaim it. Confluent with H12. Let me actually. Oh, one sec, guys. I wanna. Okay, 1 second, guys. I wanna do something. So this is from C2M Pride Trading. You can check it out, guys. This is a 90-day rolling VWAP, which is calculating from aggregate source. All right, so Coinbase, Bybit, and Binance. So and it's trading quite below the confluent with motherfucker, confluent with previous month value high, so I might be holding off using this one for now. And 7-day rolling VOP is here, which is nice, as well as coupled with the golden pocket here. But the risk in taking, get me wicked out, test the 90-day bullish line descent for now is losing a 12 breaker for a signal, losing previous week value high and previous month value high set the stone. Now, what do I want to see here is that this, and on order flow, I would like to see this. Alright? And some sort of, I don't know, arranging some massive shorts heading here, sweep under the low, more shorts getting trapped, reclaim it, I get long, send it. Alright, this is what I want to see. Alright, that was it for the today's stream, 15th of April. See you tomorrow.